guys, what's up? This is Captain Chris with Fish Envy Charters. I'm also the host of this show, the newest show on the internet called This Is Fishing. This Is Fishing is a show that's going to make you a better fisherman. We're going to show you our rigs that we use on our charters on a daily basis, and we're going to show you how to use them. We're going to tell you how to get them from us. Today we're talking about the Breakaway swimming Ballyhoo rig. This is probably our most used rig in the spread. Anytime we go trolling on our charters, this rig is out there and it catches a lot of big fish. This rig is available at our store, fishenvystores.com. Click the link below in the description if you want to get some for your own, and I'll teach you how to rig them right now. Here it is, guys. Here's our standard swimming Ballyhoo rig. We rig it with number 7 wire. This is with a 9/0 3407 mustad hook. We're using a 1 ounce lead right now, specifically for this rig because it's for heavier seas, more wind. This will keep your baits down swimming in the water even when there's a lot of chop and wind. We also offer rigs available with 1/2 ounce or 1/4 ounce weights. And those are for less windy, less choppy conditions, where your baits have a better chance of staying down in the water with a lighter weight. Real simple rig to rig up. I got a medium Ballyhoo here. These rigs are meant so you get the hook coming out near the butt of the bait. So on a medium bait and a 9/0 hook on our rigs, the hook should be coming out somewhere near the bottom of the bait right there. Now we have a pin right here at the top of the rig. That's what's used to secure the Ballyhoo right at the mouth. We line this pin up right with the mouth, and that's where it's going to come out. That's what the first step to this process. Once we line up the pin with the top of the mouth, we see where the hook's going to come out of the bait. I'm going to put my finger there, my thumb, and it looks like it's coming out right above the anal cavity. Alright, so what we're going to do is poke a little bit of a hole right there above the anal cavity where the hook's going to come out. And it's real simple. This is the hard part of the process, but once you practice a bunch, you get the process down. I'm going to open up the gills a little bit with my fingers, kind of push it open with the tip of the hook. I'm going to slide the hook inside the gills and pop right into the belly cavity. Then I'm going to start twisting my Ballyhoo towards me and work that hook point all the way down till it comes out right near the anal cavity on that bait. Once I get it out that anal cavity, I hold the bait down like this, and I start to pull that hook and pull the whole rig up through there. And you can see now I got the hook coming out. I've slid the rig all the way through the bait. The copper wire is going to be right around the gills, right in the gill area. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open the gills up, pop the copper wire behind the gill, around, and once that copper wire is around the gills like that, underneath, then I'm going to pop my pin through the bottom of the Ballyhoo's mouth, out through the top, and there you go. Now you got your pin set. Then I'm going to take the copper wire and continue around the opposite side of the head, underneath the whole rig, back up top, and then right before the pin, it's going to secure. We're going to secure it right before the pin, and I'm going to wrap it. Sometimes you can go twice behind the pin. And after that, I'm just going to keep wrapping in front of the pin. And just keep it wrapping up the bill about a 1/2 inch. That copper wire And just keep wrapping. And once you hit a 1/2 inch, then I start wrapping the wire back towards the pin. What I'll do then is just flip off the bill right where the copper wire is. And there's your swimming ballyhoo. One other tip here is you want to push that hook down, kind of hold the bottom of the bait and push that hook down so it really sits deep inside that stomach cavity. And as you can see, that hook is perfectly placed at the back of the bait. So when a wahoo eats that bait, he's going to get hooked. He's not just going to cut the tail off. Or barracuda. You know, like I said, the rig also works great for mahi, sailfish, tunas. They're all going to eat it. But we always like to keep the hook in the back for when the wahoos do decide to come around. Anyways, like I said, these rigs are available online. The link is in the description. You know, we take a lot of pride in making these ballyhoo rigs, so they're the best. And we'll show you this thing in action on the next trip. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my how to rig a breakaway swimming ballyhoo tutorial. Like I said, the link to buy these rigs made by us is in the description below. We offer different sizes for different wind conditions. The heavier the weight, the heavier the wind you want to use it in. So if it's going to be heavy seas, heavy wind, buy our 1 ounce rigs, rig with them. If it's light seas, calm winds, buy the 1/4 ounce, use them. Again, the link is in the description. Please support the cause and keep on fishing, stay tight. This is fishing, episode number 1.